Tim is a passionate installer. For many years, he has been installing PV plants for customers with K2 mounting systems. During project planning, Tim had to collect a lot of data, such as the roof size and covering. Then, Tim would drive back to the company with all the data and separately enter the collected information and begin the planning in his office. This was quite exhausting and time-consuming. If Tim was unsure of certain calculations, he had to return to the project site and check the numbers again. But now, Tim uses the K2 app. He records the data directly on site by entering the information into the app, and then he sends his project with one click to Base. This simplifies Tim's work immensely. In the app, for example, Tim can choose his location, the type of roof, and the covering of the roof. Tim can take pictures and use the dictation function to add notes. Finally, Tim can synchronize all his data with Base with only one click. All information is saved there, and Tim can start planning immediately. This makes his work so efficient that he can implement several projects. You also want to save time? Then download the K2 app now.